Hi boys and girls, it's the creator of Bored with Miss Reynolds, Better Off Reading Every Day. Today we got to go outside at after school because it has been absolutely gorgeous outside, and we went on something like a nature walk. This is by Douglas Follian. So I thought, why not read to you about a nature walk on the trail. Cottontail, blue jay, fly away, stepping stones, pine cones, hidden lake, lunch break, rotting log, bullfrog, back on the trail, swallowtail, ant mound, homeward bound. And that is the end of Nature Walk. Can you find these in this book? That's the very back. Boys and girls, it is Bored with Miss Reynolds, Better Off Reading Every Day. I don't own the rights to this book that I have read to you, but I love storytelling magic. And the magic of today's story is we got to go outside. We got to go on a nature walk. It was beautiful. The wind is whipping through my hair, and I wanted to share this with you. A lot and most of the books that I read come to me in the most mysterious ways. And when I realized I was going outside, I knew I had to give you something that had to do with nature, because I love being out in nature. Let's see if we can go for a quick walk. And that is it for Nature Walk with Bored with Miss Reynolds. Woo! Better Off Reading Every Day. Don't fall, Miss Reynolds, don't fall. Don't try this at home, boys and girls. Only for a trained professional who loves to be out in nature and loves to read books. Bye.